Hi craft team and welcome to our craft instructional video. So today's craft is to teach the kids that God created the universe. So they're making this space themed craft. Now, to prepare this craft, make sure you have the following materials ready in your kits. First is our base paper, which is black. Next, we have these different colors of glitter paper. These are so cute, but they're quite expensive. And then we have these templates for our small and medium-sized planets. We have yellow paper for our stars. And we have 100 GSM white paper for our biggest planet. So we have one biggest planet. And then, of course, we have star punchers. But take note, not everyone in the team will be getting a star puncher. So only those with star punchers will follow the instructions that involve star punchers. And lastly, we'll need a pair of scissors. Now, let's prepare the craft. So first, let's start by cutting the small and medium planets. I included these templates so that you can have a guide when you fold the paper because we're going to be folding this paper into 6 sections. So because this is not an even fold, I just provided this rectangle so you can be guided as to where you're going to fold the paper. So as you can see, I'm using it as a guide. And I'm just going to fold it according to that. And easily, I already have this paper folded in 6 sections. Now, I mentioned this is quite expensive paper, so we're trying to get the most out of it. So be sure that we maximize every resource that we have. Now, let's grab the corresponding planet and just trace it onto the glitter paper. So this one sheet of paper will actually make 30 small planets. The small planets don't have to be pink. It's just this is the one that I used. So aren't they so glittery and cute? Alright team, now let's cut the medium planets using the template. So it's the same procedure, but instead of 6 sections, we're folding this paper in 5 sections. So because it's uneven, it's easier to use the template as the guide. Now let's draw the circles onto the white portion. This sheet of paper is going to produce 20 medium-sized planets, and I'm using blue for this medium-sized planet. So again, it's so cute and glittery. Now you have lots of colors to choose from. Alright, now we're gonna cut the big planet. So this is just white paper with a very lightly printed template of big circles. So for this one, I'm just gonna fold the paper lengthwise in 2 and then crosswise in 3 so that I can cut just one circle to create 6 big planets. So we're using white paper for this one so the kids can color this planet in multiple colors or in different, I don't know, designs or patterns. Just one paper creates 6 big planets. A little disclaimer for this section. Not everyone will be getting star punchers in the kits. Only those with the star punchers will follow these steps. If you do not have it in your kit, skip this part. Alright, now let's make big stars. First, let's take our yellow paper and divide it into 6 sections. Now you can use the template provided to help you section it evenly. This is the same size as the small planets. Now that we've folded our paper, we can now punch the stars. So as you can see, I inverted the puncher so I can see where exactly it is positioned onto the strip of paper. So that's the first punch. This is the second punch. This is so that the punch will not overlap with the previous punched hole. We're doing it again. It's quite hard and stiff. Make sure to put some muscle into it. And the last one. So one sheet of paper will create 24 big stars. And there you have it. Let's proceed to the small stars. So some of you got this small sized puncher. All you have to do is divide your paper into 8 sections. And same with the previous one, just punch the stars and make sure that you're not overlapping the punches so the stars are nice and whole. So sometimes the paper snags and it gets trapped in the puncher, but it's easier than cutting this one by one. Just remove it from the mechanism and you're good to go. Now, if you follow my instructions, one sheet of paper should create 64 small stars. Now, when you're done, don't forget to return the cap or the lid of our star puncher because we want to be good stewards of our equipment and our supplies. And that's it. The complete craft kit should contain the black base cardstock paper, two medium-sized planets, two small-sized planets, two big stars, five small stars per kid, and one white big planet. Instructions for the kids. Basically, all the kids have to do is stick the planets and stars onto the black piece of paper to create their universe or their galaxy or solar system, whatever you call it. And then the fun part is they can decorate their very own planet using crayons. And ta-da! We're now done with our craft. Thanks for watching!